KC9VKV, this is WA3 Romeo November Charlie.
WA3 Romeo Charlie, Roger?
Romeo November Charlie.
Romeo November Charlie, Roger. What's the name there?
My name is John.
Roger, John, and what's your location?
I'm in central Pennsylvania.
Roger, and what radio are you running, sir?
It's an IC 7850.
Roger, John, okay, give me about 10 or 15 seconds and tell me about your antenna system.
Very fine. The antenna is a Step-IR DB18 something or other E, I believe. It's up at about 55 feet. And that's about it for the antenna. Over.
All right, John. Well, yes, your signal, you might be a little hot. We have a set of procedure if you would like for us to do that. It starts with your compressor on at a 3, a very token amount, but it does exactly what we need for it to do. So check your compressor and on at a 3, Roger.
Okay. I'm looking at the meter. Is that what you mean? Looking at the compressor meter?
Yes, sir. And you want to set that just for 3?
Okay. Well, it gets up to between 2 and 3 when I speak.
All right. So now that you've got that in line and adjusted at a 3, go to your AOC meter with mic gain in hand and just speaking naturally, normally, adjust your mic gain to your AOC is reading mid-scale to 2/3.
Okay. This is WA3RNC adjusting the mic gain, and you want this to read how far?
Just mid-scale to 2/3 on your AOC. It sounds like you might be hot into it right now.
Okay, well, the ALC meter is, it's into the red, I'll say that. Shall I turn my gain down some? I'm going to turn it down. Maybe that's too far. How about that right there?
Yes. Now give me 10 seconds about the thing you like best about your 7850.
7850, I think it looks pretty. It's the first radio that I've had that has a display on it. Although I don't use it much. Actually, I don't use the radio a whole lot at all, other than maybe on CW. I do more CW work than anything else. Over.
Roger. Okay, your signal sounds really good now. You're running about a 3 dB dynamic range, which is a nice fat signal, but you can't hear anything working. You can't hear the compressor compressing or the limiter limiting or none of that. You know, it's just a nice fat signal. Roger.
That sounds good to me. I'll accept that without any problem, and I thank you very much for your help.
Yes, sir. Just remember that you don't want to keep that compressor in there at a 3, and then you want to make sure that your ALC is adjusted for mid-scale to 2/3, which you have now, Roger. And also, if you change mics or something, always go back to your ALC and make sure that you're still running mid-scale to 2/3, because all mics are not the same, and so when you change mics or something, it's a good idea to go back and double-check your ALC, Roger.
Okay, very fine. KC9VKV, WA3RNC.
Roger, John, 3's that way, sir. And if you would like to hear your signal, beautiful signal, had a lot of RF on you there. Must have been 10, 12 over my local noise level. If you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV and then today's date, 9/4/20, as one entry, that will take you probably to our Qso-Vlog show for today, my group air check 9/4/20. Roger?
Got that, Roger. Thank you very much. And 73.
Roger, because it used to be, I could just say, go to, my group air check 9/4/20, but, sometimes, it would be KC9 VKV to take you to our Qso-Vlog page. Then you would have to look for my group air check 9/4/20, and sometimes YouTube would get that quite far off the mark down into the sequence. We have 1280 recorded Qso-Vlogs, and sometimes YouTube would decide to put it halfway down the world. So if you just go to do a call letter search, and then along with today's date 9/4/20, you should be able to go right to the our recording right now, and give me a couple of days to get it uploaded. Roger.
Okay. Yep. I thank you very much.
Roger, John. 3 Z-Way, sir. Have a great afternoon, beautiful weekend. If you get a chance, join us next Friday. Roger.
Yeah. Okay. And incidentally, I didn't tell you, your signal here in central PA is about 20 dB over S9. Very nice signal.
Roger. Sometimes Mother Nature cooperates.